Let's now have a look at the libraries that you can create for your users on your EzyCourse platform. There are video libraries and audio libraries. They work in a very similar way from an administration perspective. You can see I've got 3 video libraries here, and if I go into this top one here and view the videos, you can see I've got a selection of videos within this library. Now you can categorize your videos, and you can also give them titles and thumbnails as well, and that helps your users, and you'll see that in a short while, navigate through your video libraries. Audio libraries are very similar, so if I go into this audio library here, you can see I've got 3 tracks just there. Now let's have a look at what this looks like from a user perspective. So once your user has purchased a library, they appear as with everything else in their dashboard. I'll first have a look at video libraries here, go into this one, and you can see these are the categories along the top, allowing me to navigate through the library of videos. I can also search for videos at the top here. Now the player is beautiful, works really well on desktop and mobile, and looks great in the custom app as well. Audio libraries are very similar. We'll just take a look at that. So into the dashboard, into this audio library here, and there you can see all the tracks presented and this nice little player here. Now this particular track is a meditation that you'd want to keep at normal speed, but if you're recording maybe narrated audio that sometimes people like to speed up or slow down, there's these sorts of features within the player as well. So audio and video libraries are a great addition for your product suite on your EzyCourse platform, again allowing you to build more revenue.